Hi guys, my name is Anna and I'm into the binary options trading. That's a little bit windy because I'm in Dubai Resort and I'm at the Lamborghini. So guys, if you want to know more, if you want to get more results, profits, knowledges, you can just proceed to my Telegram link, to my Telegram channel where I post 12 signals per day and you can use it and get the same.
Not happy, I am not happy. But I think it's gonna be the falling. It's supposed to be the fall. Yeah. Oh my god. Ooh. Look at this. Look at this. Momentum candles. Isn't that crazy? Hi guys, here's me Anna. We're gonna be trading today. We're still gonna be trying and making as much better as we can right there, just to put that in this short and nice timing, just for me and for you not to get so tired, because you get your few bets. If it's getting all right, you just get your profit, and then you just stop. Because sometimes when you're getting in a rush, you're getting too excited or too disappointed, you're making mistakes. So just cut it off and go spend it if it's all profitable. That's kind of an important lesson. You gotta be just leaving it like that, not a problem. 221 minute, 15, yeah, it's 15 second candles, and 92% of the payouts just going almost accidentally. And fractal, Williams, momentum, and envelopes. Ooh, that's the bunch of it. Safe. And a bit playing with it. Colors, stuff, thicknesses, you know all of that. Safe. Then we go into the Williams and we're gonna be using a bit bigger period. I'm not sure that it's the good decision and that it's gonna be nicely working. If I'm being honest, I know how it's gonna be nicely working, and I'm afraid that 16 is not gonna be nicely working, but maybe it is all fine, because you know that I am experimenting with all of these periods, and sometimes it's not a problem. The number is not a problem. The problem that all the numbers of that indicator are just not combined. But this is like the next level. Okay, your job is just to copy all of that, and we're getting started. Okay. We're gonna stay right there or not. Seems like we're not gonna be rising, but look at that. Just at the first glance, your job right now is just to check this strategy, to give your opinion, to, I don't know, follow your thoughts and feelings about that exact strategy. Is the good or the bad one? And if from the first side, from the very first side, you can see nothing, that's the bad one. And I must say, in some cases, from the first side, we can see something, and this is something is completely opposite to what we need to do. But seeing something is already the key to happiness, because when you are distracted, when you cannot be focused, when you cannot read any signs, that's worse. And me trying to ignore all of that unsuccessful situation me having right there, but I think it's gonna be the falling. It's supposed to be the fall. Yeah. Oh my god. That's what I told you about. That's what I told you about. Have we seen that? Seen? No. Oh. One more try, one more attempt. Look at this crazy one. Actually, it was predictable. Why we should stay on the same small patterns if we can rise endlessly. Okay, here we are with a big trend. This is the enormously big trend. This is the big tendency. We went downward, then we go with the small fluctuations. At the bottom level, we try to get a little bit, and a little bit upward. And right there, I think we can follow it too. It's going to be the big rising. We do expect that. And I hope we're going to be just right on time. I am not satisfied with the Williams being at the highest point of its own chart. That's the risk. That's true. But momentum candles, kind of green. If you're going to be checking the fractal and the envelope, fractal is nothing. What about the envelopes? It was 50-50. It could go downward, it could go upward, but I made it. That was actually more my assumption than the perfect strategy analysis, because I know the momentum candles are green, but you can see it's not so stable. Oh my god, that was the long upward trend. Okay, are we gonna be right there? Oh, maybe that's just the highest point and we're gonna get downward, but look at this one. Okay, we're gonna rise. Look at this envelopes. Maybe it's not like the dungeon channel or something like that. We can see, the beautiful waves of it. But right there, you can also see it. It feels like it. And plus, look at the momentum, look at the Williams. So this is it. This is a decision we made based on that strategy. So I am just right here, proving it's right. Okay, let's see it. The thing was like that. It is the ending of the upward trend, and then we going downward, and that was the plan of it, because the big tendency seems like is to get downward. But once again, the chart is a bit crazy. Nothing like the whole picture that we can see from the strategy or indicators. Nothing like that. Not happy. I am not happy. How about this one? Yeah, I'm not a fan. Ooh, look at this envelopes. Where is it? Why do we have only this blue line of it? Oh, seems like we have some space to get rising. Seems like it's gonna be just fine. Seems like it. Let's check it out. I'm kind of exhausted by all of these mistakes. That was the rising, and if you're gonna be checking the fractal, it seems like it's just ended. So we're gonna be at the plateau, we're gonna be playing a bit and then getting downward. That was predictable, because if you're gonna be checking the Williams, we are actually at the highest point, at the highest position. So this is nothing wrong with that. This is what we can actually see in the very beginning. Okay. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Momentum candles. Isn't that crazy? What if we're gonna get and going upward still? Williams flat in the highest position. Momentum candles are green. Envelopes are enormously big. How can I know this is not the end of the trend? I can't. But I have no signals, just to see and to read that it's gonna be the big falling, and it's happening. Okay, see it. Ooh, how I love that. Ooh, that's all that I got. Wow. I was right, but look at this momentum. Look at this tiny red candle, just almost at the moment when I was having the end of the bed. It seems like a curse or something. If I'm being honest, if that would be my just regular trading, the regular day, I would stop after maybe the first or the second bet, because I could feel it that I am getting, I don't know, all my mood, all of that are just getting down. I am not turned up. I am all in the doubts. I'm all in the fears, and that's the bad one. And I hope this strategy is going to be the good lesson for that. If it's not getting kind of beautifully, I'm not say easy, because sometimes it's not so easy, but you just go with the flow. If you are not, just stop it. Yeah, easy decisions for our complicated problems.